Tension headaches, they come from lots of different components, lots of different things that can create a tension headache. Some of it is stress, some of it is how we hold our bodies when we're in conversation or working at our monitors or our screens. And here are a number of different techniques that you can use to alleviate the pain of a tension headache. So let's begin with a couple of short, sweet ones. This is not a Kriya by any stretch. This is an amalgamation of lots of little different techniques. So let's try each one of them one by one, see which one might work for you. All right, first one I really love uses the breath. It's 3 sniffs and a pow. Let's do that together. 2 more. Awesome. So just sit for a moment, notice where you might have been holding tension and where this one may have allowed some of that tension to go. Some of tension headache is about holding stress and holding emotions or thoughts back. And when we blow them out with the breath, it's a real level of escape and release that happens. That's number one. By the way, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and Shaliza's here. We're recording this video so that you can have some relief and use the technology of Kundalini Yoga for transformation, for leadership and impact. Here is technique number 2, and this is also using the breath. This is called 4-7-8. So the idea here is to inhale for 4, a count of 4, hold for 7, and then exhale for 8. So gently close your eyes and let's try that ourselves. You can bring first finger and thumb to touch or leave your hands on your lap, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Inhale for a count of 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Now hold for 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do that again. I'll keep quiet this time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Good. Here's the last round. Inhale. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. Take a moment, just take in those 2 breathing patterns. Notice where you could use that in your life, where headaches come or tension starts to creep in around your jaw. These breathing techniques, specifically the second one, 4-7-8, is really about the long exhalation. This starts to calm the heart, opens the capillaries of the blood vessels, and helps to create a little bit of relaxation. Now we'll move to a more physical type of practice to help alleviate tension headaches. Take your 2 palms of your hands, so the flat parts of your hands, and place both just here at the temples and slightly back, and then press. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then 2 more. Go at your own pace. Each one of these we've done at least 5 rounds. So if 5 does the trick, that's great. Otherwise, take it to 10 and see what happens. Or you can even time it for 1 or 2 minutes. Here's the last one. And release. Good. Now that's creating some pressure and tension around the temples. That may help. For the next technique, bring your left hand to the back of your neck. So just on the side of your neck underneath your ear. And then with the right hand, placing it against the side of your head and creating some tension here and pressing firmly. So take a deep inhale, press, press, press. And this is making a correction to the cervical spine. And release. For technique number 3, take your left hand, place it against the side of your neck, just underneath your ear. And with the right hand, place it here against the side of your head, just above your temple, and slightly back. Take 5 breaths here, and then at the same time compress. So pressing some pressure against the side of your head on both sides. This is a physical adjustment to your cervical spine. So 5 breaths. Good. You may feel a little bit of a snapping or a cracking in your neck. It's good information that something's being adjusted. Good. And there's the last one. Good. And release your hands down. Just noticing how that feels. And we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So if this has already alleviated some of the pressure, then stay with that. No further adjustment required. Or you can go ahead and bring your left hand over your left temple and the heel of your right hand against your neck. And place pressure, 5 breaths. Here's the last breath. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, slowly lower down. Noticing. Headaches are not easy. They get in the way of all of daily life and sometimes interrupt the things that we are most pressing on our to-do lists. It's also a signal from the body. Hey, something's up. We got to reshift, refocus our energy. Think about things a little bit differently. So take it not just as a nuisance, as a pain, something to get rid of, rather that there's a message that needs to be heard. And spending this time breathing and compressing allows that to happen. Here's the last technique, number 4 in this short mini-series on alleviating tension headaches. Bring yourself into bear grip. So right hand is pointing away from your chest. Left hand, you're making a grip here in front of your chest. Here, eyes are closed. Take a deep inhale. And here, turn your head to the left and draw your arms to the right. Exhale, switch. And then switch. Good. Go at an easy, steady pace. We'll do this for about 1 minute. It's an opportunity to create some tension and then also do a little bit of adjustment around the spine. Go at your own pace. You can go quickly, you can go slowly. I suggest you slow it down and really notice where the pain might be surfacing. Last 2 rounds. Beautiful. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Slowly lower everything down. Take a moment with your eyes closed. Tension headaches also can come from strain around the eyes. The other video of mine that you can check out is for vision and for alleviating and improving vision. So that might be another way to approach this particular challenge of headaches. Thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and joined today by Shaliza on behalf of everyone at the YogaVision crew. Lots of love to you, and I hope these videos have been helpful. If you'd like to get in touch with me directly and ask questions, you can do that at love.yogavision@gmail.com. Lots of amazing information on our website, yogavision.com. And there you can find more information about Kundalini Yoga teacher training as well as numerology. Until next time, Sat Nam.